that's been exploited. Had a look at a sighter and puts one into the stand.
That's the power of Josh Butler, so full sod, so strong.
Oh, and again, clips that away. That is a lovely piece of timing. Had a little bit of luck on that occasion. Oh, high in the air, settles underneath it and gets the big breakthrough. Does Jacob Duffy. Exactly what New Zealand needed.
Bounces, that just tells you the surface is more true.
One clipped away, lovely piece of timing. Let's give himself room once again and gets hold of that one. One bounce for 4.
On the onside so far. Phil Salt, and he's straight down the ground past the bowler. That'll be a boundary off the first in the power play. Bracewell, and that one has been tonked over cover. And that's going to race away for 4 more. Bethel Brook. A couple of steps down, and Bethel has sent that all the way. He's not a charger, he likes to stay back in the crease. Oh, he's gone again. That is just swept up.
The crowd's in danger. Bracewell tossing this one wide. And not trying to hit it too square, just using his hands, hitting it straight, mid-on, still inside the circle.
Who Bethel gets. Oh no! Batter's parallel with the ground, and it hasn't worked this time. That's straight into the midst of Jimmy. Neesham takes the catch, and Bethel, who looked like he was about to start firing plenty, has had to depart for 24. Very wide from Santner. That was an open invitation. Who's going to do it? It's going to be Harry Brook who's going to try, and that's going to go right over the top and onto the pavilion roof.
Well, Santner was prepared to come straighter to Harry Brook, wasn't he? And Brook was not going to wait. He was down the pitch, there's not a lot of turn in the wicket, and hitting down Breeze. Well, that's a big hit. Comfortably over the boundary.
Smart. Response here from Santner. Oh my goodness, that's even better. That is on the roof and over. Delivery.
Just like that, hit flat, hit hard, one bounce for 4. And carved away, up and over the offside. Runs away on the breeze. And goes the short ball, but that is clever. Uses the pace and bounce and just